Today I have rolling pins that cost me $1.99 from a local non-franchise store here in my area, but I'm sure they're easy to find if you don't already have some laying around the house. And I'm starting by taping off the handles as I do not want to paint them. I want them to stay the natural wood. And I'm using my S30 Klingon brush and painting both rolling pins with Snow Owl by Wise Owl. I did end up doing a third pin, and I'm giving them 2 coats each. Once dry, I'm taking a 220 grit sandpaper and giving both a very good sanding. And I found these napkins at Home Goods. One says Blessed, one says Hello Spring, and one says Eat. The Hello Spring, I'm just going to take the Hello from that one. Now these are 3-ply napkins, so there's the 3 plies, and you just want to end up with 1 ply. So I knew I had to remove 2 off the back. And I cut out my words, getting as close to the wording as possible. But I first want to start by taking a section away to allow me to get in there with the scissors. And I want to get as close as I can to the lettering, as you want as little extra napkin as possible. And each rolling pin, I cut out 2 words for each. So the Blessed, I cut out 2. The Hello, I cut out 2. And the Eat, I cut out 2 as well. Taking my 1-hour enamel and a small art brush, I'm basically just going to decoupage these words. On one side of the pin, I'm going to put them up to the left corner, and when I flip it over, I'm going to put the Blessed to the bottom of the right corner. Now, using saran wrap is just a good choice as you're trying to get wrinkles out, and I use a brayer. So you basically want to get the 1-hour enamel on. You're going to put your word down. You're going to get your saran wrap over that so you can smooth out the wrinkles. The brayer helps. And then you want to do your second coat of 1-hour enamel on top of that. And you don't want to keep overworking your brush because you will tear the napkin. And I continued the same process with the Hello. And once this dried, I did do a second coat of the 1-hour enamel. This was very easy. And the 1-hour enamel, the Klingon brush, and the paint can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And now we have all our tutorials over there. And you can also check us out at YouTube. So once dried, I took some gingham ribbon and just tied it to either side of the handles. You can display these in a dough bowl. You can display them anywhere in your kitchen, sticking out of a canister. I thought they came out really cute, especially with pumpkin season coming. A few pumpkins around them would be adorable. I hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube, and you can also check us out at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.